It was day 2 of the hearing before the Supreme Court bench headed by the Chief Justice of India in the multiple petitions that have been filed over the Pegasus issue, and still no official notice has been issued to the Union government to come forth and respond to what is now a total of 10 petitions seeking probe into the allegations regarding snooping using Pegasus. The Chief Justice of India-led bench was informed that the Solicitor General had received the copies of the petitions that were filed before the Supreme Court, but the centre at the same time sought time till Friday to respond to these petitions, with the Solicitor General saying that he was still awaiting instructions from the government in the matter. Although the Chief Justice of India has allowed time to the centre till Monday to respond to these petitions, but at the same time a very strong message has come forth from the three-judge bench, especially towards the petitioners in the case, criticizing the parallel debate that has been happening on social media and other media outlets regarding the entire matter, despite the fact that the Supreme Court has taken cognizance of the same. The Chief Justice of India called upon the petitioners in the case to have some faith in the system and leave the debate regarding specific aspects of the case to what happens inside court, rather than making comments either on social media or through media outlets. The counsels that were appearing on behalf of various petitioners before the bench agreed with the observations made by the Chief Justice of India when he stated that the debate should be restricted to what's happening in court, keeping in mind that the matter was now sub judice before the highest court of the country. It is now on Monday the 16th of August when the matter is going to be heard further by the bench, which is when the Chief Justice of India-led bench is likely to decide on exactly which of the 10 petitions will an official notice be issued to the government to come forth and respond on record before the top court regarding some serious allegations that have emerged regarding snooping using Pegasus. In New Delhi, this is Nalini Sharma reporting for India Today.